Where'd you get that jacket? It's a statement piece. Somewhere there's a very nude cow whispering, worth it.
No, you heard about me.
$200 million have been spent on Red Notice. Is it money well spent? Is it because of the three superstars in the movie? 3 times as more fun as any other action comedy. Stay right here to find out. We are Jaggu and Tarana, and whether we agree with whatever the other critics are saying or not, you will find out in literally 2 seconds. Jaggu, have you had a chance to see what the other critics have said?
No, I haven't bothered looking because it launched today. I started watching it as soon as it launched on Netflix, and I haven't looked at any reviews. I want to be completely unbiased.
All right, okay. I did look at the reviews. Every critic worth his or her salt seems to hate the movie. Now, the most important question from real people, do we like the movie or we don't like the movie?
Are you looking at my long form answer or my short form answer?
1-word answer.
Okay.
Oh, I really liked the movie. Okay, now why did you
Really?
think it was okay?
Because it was too simplistic. Everything falls into place so well, including a scene where they make it, I'm only giving a little bit away. There's a fight scene going on. We know Gal Gadot is barefoot. We know there is glass on the ground, but nothing happens. I mean, how much to ignore?
Are Jaggu, please,
How
yeah.
s- how- no,
Suspension
how
of belief
simple.
is so needed.
Yes, it is. And when you watch a movie like this, a Vin Diesel movie,
It's an
Star Wars,
action
Star Trek,
film,
whatever.
huh?
I mean, yes, Mission Impossible, James Bond. Yes, of course, I'm a big buyer into the proposition of willing suspension of disbelief. But ये
Oh,
थोड़ा
this
बहुत
one-
simplistic
this
था.
one
This
you-
was
okay,
shortcuts and this was this was
So I'll tell you what happened was the film was, it started, I think, just before COVID, and then they had to shoot during COVID. And they said they had no issues because everybody was following protocol, but they did take a lot of shortcuts. So across your screen, you know, like very exotic destinations come by: Argentina, Bali, Cairo. Mostly they didn't go anywhere, and everything has happened in a studio. And you can
Correct.
kind of make out. So then already
Yeah.
when you know that $200 million have been spent on this movie, you're like, arey, like, to kuch to, you know, like really sexy locations must be there, and they'll blow our mind with like never seen before action. No. Also the CGI looks, in certain bits, looks very like obvious CGI. Like a little bit more time in the studio should have been spent.
yeah.
However, I have laughed, and I find it very difficult to laugh at like silly things, but it has made me do a many times. Ryan Reynolds, I really enjoyed his performance. I was quite Dwayne Johnson. I never think of him as an actor. Everybody sort of thinks of him in his WWE avatar, and you know he's the Rock and this and that. But he was all right. Gal Gadot is just, I mean, she was meant for the big screen because she's just so like beautiful and stunning and great at action and all. So the three of them held the movie together for me, which is what I think they were banking on. तुम लोग को एक
So
superstar
what-
चाहिए, हम 3 देंगे.
Correct. So was I entertained? Yes, I was.
Okay.
Will I watch this movie again? No, I won't. Was I expecting more? Why? Because it was like a 3-in-1 dhamaka and all the marketing and $200 million and all. I was expecting more. So I was a little disappointed. I also want to say this. I'm hoping I'm not being blasphemous, but Ryan Reynolds, अभी उसका एक्टिंग स्टाइल ना अभी मैं थोड़ा बोर हो गया. माना आफ्टर डेडपूल,
It's the same old.
It's the same old, and from Deadpool to this, that's a little bit of a drop. You know, those catchy one-liners, ye wo, this, that, and the other. Up, show me something else,
Okay.
because you know I'm
Okay.
such an authority on.
But
this
I think they sort of relied on Ryan Reynolds, you know, like really cool, sarcastic sort of delivery to carry the movie through. Since I haven't seen Deadpool, it was new for me.
But can I
And
say?
it worked.
Can I say the find of this picture is Ritu Arya?
Ritu Arya plays
Inspector
the
Das.
Inspector Das. Yeah.
Yeah, Indian antecedents, no doubt. Born and brought up in the UK. I've seen her in only one other movie where it was almost like it was a small role. I think it was a movie called Last Christmas. And it was nice. I mean, she plays the little character that she does. This one was, I want to see more of her. So much so that from a certain angle, in certain scenes, she looked very Angelina Jolie-esque. Yeah. My find of this movie is Ritu Arya. Everything else, theek hai.
Well, all right. So, in a nutshell, is it an action movie? Yes, it is. Are you wowed by the action? Most of it. I love the parkour scenes, and right at the beginning of the film, there is one very interesting sort of scaffolding, chase. I was amused by it, and I was also fascinated by like how smoothly they did it.
And that's the good thing about it. It moves quickly.
Yeah.
When they're promising you an action film, you are getting an action film from the word go. The setup itself is action, and the setup is like setting up the movie. It's not even the full movie itself. It's actually quite cool. And it's fast.
So like it's fast paced. It is a little under 2 hours. You don't feel any bit drag. There are enough twists and turns. Now, whether you can predict some of them or you can't really depends on like how much you're thinking. But I signed up with zero expectations. I had not even seen the trailer. Okay, so without seeing the trailer, everything was a twist for me, and everything was surprising. And it was a very jolly, fun ride for me. 1 hour, 48 minutes, perfectly okay. Is it the perfect action film ever made? Of course not. Is it the most amazing heist film? Of course not. Do they all look very good? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. And is it worth one-time watch? I would say yes. So, all right.
Absolutely.
On a scale of 1 to 5, Jaggu, what would you give Red Notice?
2.5, half star for Ritu Arya.
So, is that 3 or is that 2.5?
No, that's 2.5.
That's 2.5. I think I would give it 3.5. So, an average of 3. The Jaggu and Tarana average of 3 on 5. It is certainly not as low as 1 and 2 as like other random critics are saying. But most importantly, dear viewer, we want to know from you, what would you, on a scale of 1 to 5, give Red Notice, which is streaming on Netflix as we speak? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you liked what we had to hear. If you have differing opinions from us, please argue with us in the comments. We always do reply. And most importantly, please subscribe, turn that bell icon on, and make sure you share this video with many, many like-minded Mad Hatters. Have a good weekend. Happy watching. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye, Butterfly.